come. Them would have to know say you're there at the gate. Them would have to walk through crowd from wherever them did there. All the man them are gonna know say as you come in, you go straight to the bathroom. All them know you go want shit or you go want piss. Nothing no go so, man. Nothing can go so. Nothing can go so. You get me? So remember, in a crowd like that, with an entourage of 15, remember, them would have to group up the 15 of them and get themselves together and say, yes, we are going over the sucker, the boy I got the bathroom first. Remember, somebody would have to text them and tell them, say, yeah, I come to the gate, and him go straight to the bathroom. That are the first misconception of the whole thing. Who would have tell them, say, him would have to text them and say, yo, me I come to the gate and me I go piss first, or no come quarrel me. Because nobody can know that. You know, a big old venue with thousands of people. So you tell me, say, homeboy, entourage them at the bathroom, them did there with them liquor table and them something. Them did position at the bathroom. Them a party at the bathroom. So them choose to put for them liquor table at the bathroom where people are going to piss and shit. And that's what them plan to stand up and enjoy for themselves. Now, make no sense. See? That adding up. That is the first illusion. And none of you never think about that. See? Second illusion. You just come through the gate and walk like a girl go straight about you. You and your girl walk through the gate. And just say, babe, stand up there so I got a bathroom. Usually a woman want to use bathroom first, huh? And I would have to secure my woman and put her at a spot and say, stay here, so. Never cut a piece. Anyway, you're going to leave your woman, I must beside one of your bridging or somebody where you know. It can't be as you come through the gate, you go in a bathroom. That a lie. That don't make sense. You're a man, you're not a girl neither. You can go piss behind all the public plastic bathroom. So you know must go in there go piss? No, add up. No, add up. He had was to be in the venue already. And the man them see him then. And no say, you're there in here. And them would have to watch you when you got the bathroom. Know you're inside of them. Because first thing, if them a follow you got the bathroom, you know, and you not see, you know, that means that you go before them. Because them a follow right back and you forgot the bathroom, them now they just grab you before you go into the bathroom. Who want wait till you go piss and shit? It show you say the man them never exactly there where you there. I see them, I see say, oh, they're the bathroom.